Hey, good afternoon. How are you guys doing? Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you're new to the channel. Alright, today we're going to bring you another unboxing with another Tesla accessory that came in the mail. Recently arrived. So let's open it up. Okay. Okay. Seems like we have a set of aluminum foot sport pedals for the Model 3. Let's open this up and take a better look at the quality. Okay. By touch and feel, the quality looks and feels really good and really high quality. Okay, so this must be the electric pedal. Yeah, so that's another short video. So that's all I gotta say. So thank you and have a nice day. Hey, if you want to win a $50 Amazon gift card, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe. And the first 1,000 subscribers will be entered into a draw to win this $50 gift card.